Hello my friends, welcome to Kids Study Station. Today we are going to learn phonics sound of the letter Y. So let's start. There are three sounds for the letter Y. First sound is Y. Second sound is I. And the third sound is E. Three sounds for the letter Y are Y, I and E. Let's read few of the examples of these sounds. Y sound as in yak. Y sound as in yawn. I sound. I sound as in fry. I sound as in buy. E sound. E sound as in jelly beans. E sound as in family. Now when should we use these three sounds for the letter Y? Let's see. When the word starts with letter Y, Y makes Y sound, as in yell, yet, yes, you and yours. When the short word ends with Y, Y makes I sound, as in cry, fry, try, buy, shy and why. When the long word ends with letter Y, Y makes E sound, as in very, funny, many, body, story and rainy. If the letter Y comes in the middle of the word, it makes three sounds: Y, I and E. Y sound as in lair and loyal. When the letter Y comes in the open syllable, it makes I sound, as in cycle, python, rhyme. And if letter Y comes in the closed syllable, it makes E sound, as in mystery, gym and cylinder. Let's read few more examples of the letter Y. Yam, yak, yard, yarn, yawn, yatchet, yelling, yoga, yo-yo, york, valley, jelly, lazy, family, busy, fry, try, buy, enjoy and destroy. Excellent! Today we learned phonics sound of letter Y and also read lots of examples of its sounds. If you like this lesson, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Again we will meet with one more phonics lesson. But till, bye.